Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq-100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half. Let's review a 5-day chart of the Nasdaq-100, and you can see the index remains firmly in the green despite opening up a little bit lower on Monday morning. Now, last week also capped off the first half of the December quarter that saw U.S. indices not only climb higher, but put in several new highs along the way. With its quarter-to-date rise of 7.3%, the Nasdaq-100 continues to outpace the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the small-cap Russell 2000. And as our analysts point out, so far impeachment hearings in the U.S. seem to have been a non-event for the markets, as a combination of less disappointing than expected earnings, a dovish Fed, and strong technical momentum have pushed the major U.S. equity indices to new all-time highs while keeping volatility exceedingly low. That said, it was reported this morning that Chinese officials were troubled by President Trump's comment that there was no agreement on phasing out tariffs, a government source told CNBC. So it's certainly not time to be complacent in the equity markets. Turning to the trading week ahead, we start off on a comparatively quiet data and earnings note. Notable dates for Nasdaq-100 constituents include November 19th, with Alphabet launching its streaming game service Stadia, and November 21st, as Tesla is expected to unveil its Cybertruck pickup in Los Angeles. And just announced minutes before the New York Open, T-Mobile CEO will be transitioning as part of a long-term transition plan. His succession is going to be with the president and COO. Reporting from the Nasdaq market site live in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.